Hi friends, and welcome to your next online math lesson. We're going to continue to talk a little bit about money today, and we're going to do some more money word problems, this time with subtraction. So before we do that, I wanted to just remind you how we write and say money in numbers, okay? So this right here says $10.16. Remember that when we write out money, we always have a dollar sign and a dot, okay? The first part before the dot is the dollars part. So this is $10. The next part after the dot is the cents part. So this would be 16 cents. We don't have to do the cent sign because we know that after the dot, this part is cents. When we see this dot, we say the word and, okay? $10.16. I'm going to show you just a couple more of those. So this one would be $100.25. Okay, $100.25. Now remember, we always have two numbers after the decimal point. We always have two spaces here. Okay, so even if we only had like 2 cents, we have to put a 0 first because we have to have 2 digits there. So this would be $75.02. Okay, we're going to try a word problem. So on the seesaw activity you're going to do today, they're all subtraction word problems. Okay, so instead of plusing, we are going to minus. All right, so this one says Mrs. D had $85.76 in her wallet. She went to the store and spent $52.13. How much money does she have left? Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is find the numbers that I'm using. Okay, so we have $85.76 and $52.13. Now, in the word problems that I made for you on Seesaw, I made it pretty easy. You're always going to put this number on top, okay? But think about it, when you're subtracting, obviously the bigger number has to go on top. It's going to be the first number, but just make sure it's the bigger number. Okay, so we make sure we write the dollar sign, $85.76. Okay, that's how much money Misty has in her wallet. Then she went to the door and spent money. If she spent money, we're going to have to minus it. Make sure you write the dollar sign and the dot for the second number. $52.13. Okay, before you write your answer, make sure you carry down that dollar sign and that dot. A lot of people are forgetting that dollar sign in their answers on the addition word problem. So just do it first. Carry that dollar sign right down, carry that dot right down. Okay, when we add or subtract with multiple digits, we always start on the right. So we're going to start way over here, and we're going to do 6, take away 3, and we get 3. 7 take away 1 is 6. 5 take away 2 is 3. And 8 take away 5 is 3. Okay, so remember, two most important things is that we want to make sure we have the dollar sign and the dot in our answer. Make sure you have that dollar sign in the answer so we know we're still talking about money. Okay, if we minus two things that are money, then our answer is going to be money also. Next most important thing, which some of the assignments I'm seeing already, you guys have been doing a great job, is make sure you line up these numbers really carefully when you write it out. If you need to write it out on paper first, if you need to use the text box and type instead of writing on the iPad or computer, however you need to do it is fine. Just make sure we line it up evenly so that we can go through and minus each column. Okay, if you want even, you can draw lines like this to help you. Okay. Line up those columns. Okay, so how much money did Misty have left? She had $33.63 left. Okay, if you want on your Seesaw too, you can do that little voice recording and record yourself saying the answer so I can hear you say that how did we say the dollar, $33.63, how we speak when we talk about money. Okay, so that would be awesome. And I know you guys are all going to do a great job. I'll talk to you later.